This is a day in the life of a full-time manga artist living in America. Here we go.
Okay, so the biggest priority that we have to do today is draw a cover for Friend. If we do not get this done today, we are royally effed. The most important thing is I need to get this cover finished for my friend.
Okay, so this is battle station number 2 in the house, and so I have a basement studio where I do most of my drawing in, but then I have an upstairs one in our bedroom because, you know, sometimes at night, you know, the kids are crying, I need to be up here, I don't want to like run up and down the stairs trying to help my kids. I also don't want to like have my wife be the one who has to do everything by herself. So we have a little desk right here where I'm able to draw, and since my wife is out currently, I'm watching the kid. I figured let's just stay up here and get some work done. So one of my books, My Sexy Witch Academia, we actually we had this like bonus book that you could purchase alongside the main story, where it was like a 6-page explicit scene with 2 of the characters, and I just don't have the heart to draw it. Now luckily my friend Almer, who is an artist for other books that I do, he's like, yeah, I draw that kind of stuff, I'm used to drawing that kind of stuff. And I was like, whoa take it easy, man. Fine, you can draw the pages for me. So he's like, okay, sweet, but I need you to choreograph everything. So we're gonna be choreographing the explicit relations that these 2 characters are having, and hopefully I can do that before my kid wakes up. We're not proud of what we drew today.
Can I help you?
I drew something nasty.
And what would you like me to do about that? Do you want me to look at it?
No. Recreate it.
What's happening here?
What is that?
What's he looking at?
Ew.
It's a very crudely drawn penis.
Okay, so my wife just texted me saying that she's gonna pick our kid up from preschool. I need to pack the kid's lunch so that we can go see my mom, who's flying back to Texas today. So I better have freaking time to draw this cover. I've got to do it today. I've got to do it today.
You on my mind a lot. Don't need no time watch. I don't know how I got you in my pocket spot. Yeah, that's babe, need you every day. You like my oxygen, make it seem like the barging down. Got my heart no barging in, from the bed to the floor to the couch. Might wake the neighbors up, break you in then break you out. In the end we gon' make a child, then we gon' hit the show. Part 2 we don't need no pause. You miss me, we gon' get tipsy, don't need a power shot.
Okay, so one major flaw that I don't know why I didn't think of when going to the library to draw was the fact that I had to be quiet. So I spent like 30 minutes just looking for a freaking reference photo that I could use to inspire me for my piece. I then spent the next hour drawing the very first version of said piece, got to the line art, hated it, and then moved on to a second version. Now, once I got done with the line art for that second version, I was like, oh, this looks great, I'm done. Wrong, I forgot, I need to color this piece. So I spent another hour and a half at this freaking library. It was so quiet, so boring. I had someone say, are you drawing a girl with like why can I see her thighs? And I was like, please go away. Please go away. But yeah, we were able to get the piece finished. This is what it looks like. What do you think? What do you think? All right, I finished my piece. Finished the cover. Now we're gonna go home, make sure that everything looks good, and then end the night. Now we are here in Battle Station Dos. This is my basement studio where I do most of my drawing, most of my videos, and yeah, that's where the magic is typically made. So for the rest of the night, I'm just going to be down here drawing my own series, The Girl with the Mega Fist, which is a manga that I'm currently launching on Kickstarter. You see, over the last 2 years, I've been working on this book religiously. We did Volume 1, Volume 2, Volume 3, and now we're doing Volume 4, which is currently on Kickstarter. In the first 48 hours, we raised $10,000. So check out the link in the description if you want to check out this series. And yeah, the rest of the night, I'm just going to be working on these pages. And this was an off day. Like, I normally don't have as many things that I have to do. Normally, I'm just down here. Working on my pages, but today I had some things to do, and so this is actually a very busy week, which is why I want to bring you guys into this. So because I can't showcase any of the things that happen in this particular chapter that I'm drawing tonight, we're just going to end the video here. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was a day in the life of an American manga creator, and you're going to see more of this kind of content, so be ready. And if there's a question that you have on like what I do on a given day, let me know in the comments. Let me know, 1, what you think of this video, and 2, what are some things that you want to see? What do you want to know about my life? I'll tell it. All right, we're going to end this video the way that all good manga chapters and comic chapters should end. You ready? 'Cause